viewers, welcome to this episode of SMC DAO tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you could buy Wikicat with Naira from your bank account using the superEX app. I'll get right into it. I'll open my superEX app, which you can get from your Play Store or from your App Store. At the lower right corner of your home screen, open your wallets. And this shows you an overview of all your wallets. This shows Spot Wallet, your P2P wallet, and your Futures wallet, which you could activate. It shows how much you have in each of these wallets. To be able to get Wikicat from Naira in my bank account, I need to do P2P, which is the short form for peer-to-peer. So I'll click right here on my P2P wallet and buy. This shows the current prices of Naira per $1 value. The best price right now in this market is the one above. The ones below are more expensive than the ones above. So it's wiser to buy the ones above as far as it comes in between your limit. In essence, this first vendor sells only from 1,000 Naira to 9,950. And since I want to buy 5,000 Naira worth of dollar to get my Wikicat, I will use the first person. Now click right here on my buy. And I'm required to set a nickname. Now that I have done that, I will click on buy. This page shows up. On this page, you are required to put in the amount of Naira you want to send in to get USDT. You don't have to be scared of this process. It is verified and your funds will not get missing. So I'll put in my 5,000 Naira. This is the amount that I want to buy. And it shows right here that it is 6.44 USDT in value. Click on buy USDT. As this page shows up, copy the order number. It is just for precaution. And then go to payment. You can choose the bank you prefer to transfer to. So I'll use Kuda Bank. Copy the person's account number and be mindful of the name so that you do not mistakenly transfer to another person's account. Do not click I have paid notify seller if you haven't paid already. Copy the account number and go to my bank app and send this 5,000 Naira like a normal bank transaction. Once you have done the transaction, come back to your superEX app and click I have paid notify seller. This pop-up is just a precaution to ensure that you have paid. So I'll click I've already paid and confirm my pay. Tick right there and confirm. Alright, so this page shows up. We are going to wait a little bit until the seller releases the USDT. When the seller has released the USDT and the order has been completed, you'd see this USDT in your P2P wallet right here. Now remember, on our overview, we have three different wallets: Spot, P2P, and our Futures wallet. To be able to trade any amount of money, to be able to trade any coin, you need to ensure that every USDT you need to trade is in your Spot wallet. So you need to transfer your USDT from your P2P wallet to your Spot wallet. So let's go about it. So you click right here on transfer on your P2P wallet page, transfer. It shows here from Spot to P2P account, but we want to transfer from P2P to Spot. So I'll switch it right here. Our currency is USDT. Enter volume max and confirm the transfer. Alright, so if we go to our Spot wallet, we'd see that the USDT value has increased, showing us that the transfer was successful. So we'll get right into it. how to buy Wikicat coin using USDT. Click on trade at the lower part of your screen. Change this ET/USDT pair up here and search for WKC/USDT, and it shows up here. It shows us the current price of Wikicat with 8714. Shows us the trading fee for Wikicat, which is 2% as shown right here. And now we want to buy our Wikicat. You can put 25% of all your USDT, 50%, 75%, or 100%. But today I will be going with 50% of my USDT. You can choose market order or limit order. Market order says that your coin is bought immediately at the price that is given. Now what limit order does is that you are able to choose a particular price which could be lower. I could choose 8238 to buy my Wikicat. See that 50%, and it shows you the amount of Wikicat you will be getting at this price, which is approximately 620 million Wikicat. So I'll click right here on my buy wiki. So the order shows you can't trade less than $10. $10 right now is about 7,000 Naira. So when you want to do your peer-to-peer transaction, send about 8,000 Naira so that you'd be able to buy Wikicat without an issue. So I'll go for 100% of all my USDT. It shows me how much I would get, which is about 1.2 billion Wikicat. And I'll click right here on my buy wiki. And my order is successful. Now because it's limit order, once it hits the price of 8238, my Wikicat will automatically be able to buy. So if you want to buy your Wikicat immediately, you can switch from limit to market order, and you get it at this price of 8539. This is a very simple process. You can go through the video again so that you would understand it better and you'd be able to practice it. I'm sure this video has been of help to you, so click right there on the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be the first to get any of our tutorial videos. See you in our next video. Goodbye.